So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily add the music on your Canva video. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, head over to any of your browser. Inside browser, head over to Canva application, web application. Inside the Canva, you can simply click on the video option right here. You can click on the video option, and once you click on it, as you can see different formats. Whether you would like to create the video or for the mobile format or YouTube format or TikTok video, Instagram reel, it could be anything. So I'll just select a random video here for a template. After once I select the template video, I will wait for it to load on the screen. As you can see, it's loaded on my screen, and after that, now we need to add the audio. For audio, you can either head over to here, and if you don't get the audio option here, then you can simply click on apps option here, and you can simply get the audio option from here as well. You can see audio option here. You simply select on the audio. If you don't find the free audio, you can simply search the free audio by tapping over here. As I can see one free audio here, I'll just simply click on this and add it to the video like this. And as you can see, it's being played with the audio. So that is exactly how you add the audio on your video file, and you can simply share it like by clicking here and download it or share it to your Facebook page, social media, whatever. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos like these. See you in the next one.